Wow, after I changed my number, I need to update so many things. So troublesome.
Are you trying to figure out where you need to update your phone number?
Yeah, so many apps and platforms to update.
Yes, don't forget to update the important ones like Singpass. Singpass may send you security alerts about your account, and you don't want to miss those.
Oh, but I haven't logged into my Singpass in a while. I can't remember how to update my details.
Let's take a look at how to update your mobile number for Singpass.
It's time for Gayle Guides!
There are a few ways you can go about doing so. I'll show you the quickest method using the QR code login. For this, you'll only need your mobile phone with internet access. On your mobile device, go to singpass.gov.sg and click Login. Then tap on the QR code and authenticate on your Singpass app. Once you are logged in, select Update Profile. Enter your new mobile number and click Next. You should receive a one-time password sent via SMS to your new number. Enter that into the page and select Next. If you see this page, your new number has been successfully updated in your Singpass account. Remember, keep your contact details with Singpass updated to ensure you receive transactional and security alerts promptly. If you suspect any misuse, call Singpass Help Desk at 6335-3533 and press 9. A help desk officer will assist you in securing your account.
Wow, that was fast. Thanks, Gayle. You've been a great help.
No problem. Always happy to help.